I am Shamla. Welcome to Python tutorial 10. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about tuples. For example, create a tuple name. I'm going to give the name as tup or anything. I'm going to give it as add. This is the name of my tuple. There is a difference in the syntax of tuple as well as list. In case of a list, we used to use a pair of square brackets, but here we are using a pair of parentheses. And again, as we did in list, we need to separate the elements with a comma. 1 comma 2 comma 3. I am having 3 elements inside the tuple add, which are separated by comma. And here also the concept of index is same as we did in list. For example, if I want to access the content of 0th element, add of 0, what is the output? 1. If I have not displayed the whole tuple, if I want to display the tuple, I just write the name of the tuple, add 1 2 3, the 3 elements. It displayed all the 3 elements. I'm going to create one more tuple, add 1. In that I'm going to give few more elements, 4 comma 5 comma 6. I want to add these tuples. I will display the contents of the tuple add 1, 4 comma 5 comma 6. What if I wanted to add these tuples? You can just write add. Again, you want to display it. For that, we need to go for print statement. First, we will create one variable name as add. Instead of add, we can make use of sum. Oh, we can't make use of sum because it's giving someone. I can make it because you can notice the change in color. I'm going to add this tuple add plus add 1. It means it is not going to add 1 plus 4 5 2 plus 5 7 3 plus 6 7. It is not going to add in that way. I will show what is the meaning of adding the tuples. So I want to display it. We'll see the output of sum1. What is the output of sum1? You can see it is concatenated. 1 add 1 indicates these 3 terms are written over here, and again plus add, in the sense another 3 elements are written. This is about updating tuple or adding tuples. As I said, the main difference between the tuples and list are consider an tuple add. In this, if I want to insert an element 1.5 in between 1 and 2, I cannot do this because editing in tuple is very difficult, and I cannot do that. Because of these drawbacks, many people are preferring list over tuple. Otherwise, the list and tuples both are one under the same. What if I wanted to delete a tuple? For example, what is the output of this? Print tup. What is the name of the tuple? Print add. So see, if you just give the add also, it is going to display the contents. And print add, we know the functionality of the print. It is going to display the content of add tuple. What if we want to delete the content of the tuple? We can make use of del. This is the command which is used to delete the elements of a tuple. Delete the name of the tuple. So if I'm writing the same command one more time, print add, so it is going to give an error because we already deleted the tuple. We are calling the same tuple which has been deleted previously. Because of this, compiler is throwing an error. These are the basic tuple tuple functionalities. We can also see some of the advanced commands which are used in tuples. If you want to find out the length of the tuple, for example, length of add one, so we are having one tuple which is already been created here, add one, with the three elements. If I want to find out the number of elements inside this add one, I can just write it as length, len length. This is the command which is used for command, or we can say it as a function. Rather than saying it as a command, we can use the term function or a method. So this method is already defined inside. We are going to call this function or a method now, length add 1. So what should be the output of this? So it is going to display how many number of elements inside the tuple add 1. And one more thing, what I left is, for example, I'm having an element like this, one string, any string, inside the pair of square bracket. If I'm writing any string and I want to multiply it 4 times, asterisk mark, and 4 times, what should be the output of this? So it is going to display the content of the string 4 times. This is all about this. And negative indexing is also same as of list. For example, add 1, you want to get the -1, you want to get the content of the -1 index, -1. Just click on this. What is the content of -1? In the reverse add, go to add 1. So this is our tuple 4 5 6 -1, in the sense from the right to left, reverse order. Instead of going from left to right, we are moving from right to left. So first element is 6, so it is going to display the output as 6. This is about the concepts of tuples and list. I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next tutorial.